What's up, Chemical Guys family? Today we have the new and improved ProFlow PM2000 Pro. Today we're going to be showing you guys what's inside the box, all the newest improvements on this unit from the last, and most importantly, we're going to be showing you guys how to use it. Boom! Alright, so we got the ProFlow PM2000 Pro outside of the box, and just check out all the great goodies that you get with this unit. Obviously you get the unit itself, beautiful black and gray design as always, but now we've stepped it up with a few changes such as the gun. We've matched the gun with the unit, so instead of it being black and red, now it's black and gray. We've also included the extended barrel gun attachment as well as the compact one as well, so whether you want it short or long, you have the option of choosing either or. Another great thing that I love is this new hose. Now this new hose, we designed it to be longer, and the hose itself, the material is more flexible, making it easier for you to maneuver around your car as you're washing it. And we also included the all-new garden hose coupler, making it easy for you to connect your garden hose straight to the unit. And last but not least, my personal favorite new feature of the ProFlow is this beautiful cable management bar that goes at the top of the unit. Now, the great thing about this cable management bar is that it allows you to conveniently organize a variety of things, such as your pressure washer tips, the pressure washer gun, the wand, and even the power cable. And if you guys didn't notice, the ProFlow PM2000 Pro already comes with the wheels pre-installed, saving you time and effort. So now that we've shown you guys what's in the box and what's new, let's roll this baby on outside and show you how to use it. So the first thing that we're going to grab is the garden hose coupler, and we're going to attach that to the back. That way we can connect the garden hose to it. After inserting the garden hose coupler, now we're going to insert our garden hose. Now, before you go ahead and turn on the water, first we have to connect the pressure washer hose to the front of the unit. So we're going to go ahead and flip this around. And now we're going to take off the Velcro management system from the cable. That way we can show you guys how to plug it in. To insert the pressure washer hose, all you have to do is simply slide it in, push it as far back as you can, and then simply twist it to tighten. Once you have the hose attached, now you're going to grab the pressure washer gun, and this comes with a quick connect. So all you have to do is simply connect it directly into the hole right here, and it snaps right in. Now at this point in time, you have the option of going with the long wand or the short wand. Let me show you how easy it is to attach these. So all you have to do is simply slide this piece in. Once it slides in, go ahead and push it back even further, and then twist it the opposite way, slide it back forward, and make sure that it locks right here. I'll show you guys a more in-depth visual right here. Now on your cable management bar, you're going to see 4 different size pressure washer tips. One that goes from 15 degrees all the way up to 65 degrees. In this case, I'm going to start off with the 25-degree tip. Now to connect these tips, all you have to do is simply slide the quick release back on the tip of the gun, push that in, and then make sure that it clicks before you start spraying directly to your vehicle. Now the last thing that you want to do before you turn on the unit is turn on your garden hose water. That way it flows to the unit and you can purge the hose. Alright guys, so now that the water is on and the hoses are connected, all we have to do now is simply let the water run for 3 to 4 seconds, and then we can jump into plugging in the machine and turning it on. Alright guys, now that everything is fully set up, all we have to do is turn this baby on and get into some cleaning action. Now when it comes to cleaning your car, you always want to start off with the wheels because they're the dirtiest part of your vehicle. You get all kinds of dirt, grime, and brake dust, and by having the ProFlow, it easily minimizes your workload when it comes to cleaning. The beauty about the ProFlow is that it's going to allow you to easily get rid of all the dirt, grime, and brake dust, as much of it off as possible before you have to actually get in there with your favorite wheel cleaner and brush. So here I'm going to show you how versatile the ProFlow can be when it comes to doing all kinds of things, whether it be cleaning your wheels or washing your car. Both having the long wand and the short wand are going to be great for your addition into your arsenal. That way you can get into all these hard to reach nooks and crannies, especially where you want power, where you need it most when it comes to deep cleaning. So as you can see, the ProFlow did an incredible job at just knocking off as much of that loose dirt, grime, and brake dust from the surface. And from here, you can still pair it with your favorite Chemical Guys wheel cleaner like Diablo and give it a good scrubbing. But the reality is the pressure washer already does so much for you that it just minimizes your overall workload. So from here, we're gonna finish cleaning the wheels and then we're gonna move on to the body. That way we can show you guys some fun tips and tricks when it comes to connecting your foam cannon to your pressure washer, because you guys already know that's where all the fun's at. Before we begin the car wash process, we're gonna start off by removing the compact wand and replacing it with the long wand. So we're gonna go ahead and push this back, turn it, and it slides right out. And we're also gonna take the time to also change out our tip, just because since we are gonna be working on the body of the vehicle, we wanna make sure that we're using a tip that covers more surface area. So in this case, I think I'm gonna swap it to the 40 degrees. But before we put that tip on there, we have to put the long one. And this goes in the exact same way as the compact one. All I have to do is slide it in. And then once you slide it in, push it back even further until it clears, turn it, push forward until it locks onto this little section. And then you can go ahead and insert your pressure washer tip. In this case, we're inserting the 40-degree one, make sure that it clicks, and now we can start pre-rinsing the vehicle. So I'm gonna pre-rinse the vehicle real quick to knock off as much of the dirt, grime, and debris as possible before we get into the foamy fun. Now that we're done rinsing out the car, let's go ahead and take off the pressure washer tip. I will insert that back into its place on the cable management bar. That way we don't lose it. And now I'm gonna show you guys how quick and easy it is to connect your Torque Big Mouth foam cannon or any foam cannon that utilizes a 1/4-inch quick release. So all you have to do, simply pull the quick release back, slide that in, make sure you hear the click, and now you're ready to foam. As you can see, the ProFlow PM2000 Pro has an enhanced motor for better durability and performance that's gonna allow you to foam up your ride this great with this crazy amount of suds right at your home. And since we're talking specs, the ProFlow PM2000 Pro has a max 2030 PSI and a rating of 1.77 gallons per minute, giving you the best wash possible. And there you guys have it. This is the all new and improved ProFlow PM2000 Pro. We've shown you guys everything that the ProFlow comes with included. We've shown you guys how to use the machine, and we showed you guys all the new benefits and features of this new unit, such as the enhanced internals for maximum durability and performance, the longer and more flexible hose, the all-new cable management bar that allows you to organize all your stuff right on top of the unit, the pre-installed wheels on the unit, also including the all-new pressure washer gun that has the new black and gray sleek colorway to match the unit, as well as the garden hose adapter that goes on the back. That way you can easily hook up your garden hose for faster cleaning. Now, one of the most amazing features about the ProFlow that we have yet to mention is that this thing doesn't just stop at your ride. This thing works on more than just your car. It also works at home. So believe it or not, you can use the ProFlow to clean a variety of things at home, such as your concrete, driveways, gutters, walls, garage doors, you name it. This thing has the power and precision to clean it all. And with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna pick up your all new ProFlow PM2000 Pro, go ahead and tap the link in the description or pin comment down below to get yours right now. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. Get your ProFlow today. We'll see you next time.